Hi everyone, welcome to Science Fanatics. In this video session, we are going to discuss about anatomy of human digestive system. The human digestive system is also known as giant tract or the alimentary canal. It has a series of connected organs starting from the mouth to the anus. The digestive system allows us to break down the complex food substances into simplest substances through which it could mix into the bloodstream to obtain the energy and nourishment. Alimentary canal is a long tube and it starts from the mouth, passes through thoracic, abdomen, pelvis and ends in anus. It is a long tube through which the food passes into it. The digestive system can be 30 feet in length. It is divided into 8 parts: oral cavity or mouth, esophagus and stomach. These are all included in the upper gastrointestinal tract, small intestine and large intestine, which are included in the lower gastrointestinal tract. Apart from that, we have accessory organs which are also performing important functions in the digestive system. They are all salivary glands, liver, gallbladder and pancreas. These organs perform 6 functions such as ingestion, secretion, propulsion, digestion, absorption and defecation. Let's talk about the very first part of the human digestive system, that is mouth or oral cavity, which includes the salivary gland, teeth, hard palate, soft palate and tongue. First of all, we are going to talk about the teeth. The teeth are embedded in the sockets of alveolus ridges of mandible and maxilla. It is useful for mastification. Each individual has 2 sets of teeth, that is temporary teeth and permanent teeth. Temporary teeth are 20 in number and we can find 10 in each jaw. Temporary teeth erupts when the child is about 6 months old and the permanent teeth replaces temporary teeth at the age of 6. It consists of 32 teeth and it is usually completed at the age of 24. On each side of the dental arc, 2 incisors, 1 canines, 2 premolars and 3 molars, total of 32. The dental formula of a human is 2, 1, 2, 3. When we talk about the functions of the teeth, incisors are useful for biting and cutting, canines are useful for tearing, molars and premolars are useful for grinding and chewing. Teeth are made up of a hard tissue, bone-like materials called dentine, which is covered by the hardest tissues in the body named as enamel. Now we are going to focus on tongue. The tongue is the fleshy muscular sensory organ. The tongue is attached to the floor of the mouth by a ligaments band that is called as frenulum. It gives a great mobility for the mastication of the food. The tongue plays an important role in chewing, swallowing, speech and taste. The roof of the mouth is termed as a palate and it separates the oral cavity from the nasal cavity. The palate is the hard at the front of the mouth since overlined by mucosa which covers the plate of bone, and at the back it is smooth in nature because it is covered by the muscles and it ends at uvula. Let's talk about pharynx. Pharynx is the conducting zone of a respiratory system and it is also a part of digestive system. It is the part of the throat immediately behind the nasal cavity at the back of the mouth, above the esophagus and larynx. Pharynx is divided into 3 parts: nasopharynx, oropharynx and laryngopharynx. Nasopharynx meant for only respiration, Oropharynx and laryngopharynx are giving that common passage for both respiration and digestion. For the digestive system, the muscular wall of pharynx helps in swallowing and serves as a pathway for the movement of food enters into the esophagus. Children, the remaining anatomy of the human digestive system will be discussed in the next session. Thank you.